over, half in dust from a 9 in pills, man, fling it in a pot and re-rock it. I thought I was up trying to creep on, man, past the spin, that man uncock it. I can tell you ain't living that life they rap about, them man should just stop it. Still banging out 3 for a score, but I'm buying bigger bits so I see more profit. I know guys in the ends that's chilling with ops, it's cool, I ain't causing a fuss. Let me see them chilling together when man's on a glide, every rocks get touched.
All my niggas done their active, pressing on guns and they're whipping up Yola. Same day my little bro got chef, same day slap 2 Rambos in that motor. I bossed my man said open, it would've been peak if I had my soaker. I back my flick on the up, aim for the face.
That's just steady controlling that dinger. And the feds wanna know what we do, but they ain't getting info, they're way too inner. And that Rammy got length. I swear down the side, me come way more bigger. 2 hands on the mash when you slap it. 1 hand on hoodie tryna grab it. Heard doors when they jumped that fence. Black blade thicky when we left him drenched. 3 man when we take up the top. They all ran when we got that drop. Sav, I'm the realest Sav. Them mutes can't talk about man. Approach with caution. The Slims just hold up, let me just get my portion. Now back to the slums exhausted. They want it from me or my team. They want it from none of my cheese. I'm a spare young trap and drips and they all ride a man, but they're from RP.
We do more than poke, jump out on the LTH, shout J Savio's way too slow. And I don't wanna sound like this, but I can name bare man.
The man they're broke so they have no cash. Fly OT, hope I make it back. You was chilling with a bitch at home in your gaff. I was in O, my ones with a pack. Them man said it on gang, that's rude. Get round there, splash up the innocent youths. They took my bro, now they have no clue. Make a rams go through, tryna split them in 2. Fuck the talking card, that shit's long. I got my bro, I don't care who's wrong. Moving bookie like who's that done? In the streets, man, you don't belong. On my mum's life, I'm pissed, cause the Jake's got a man them nicked. I just lost bro when I found out I dropped my phone, so I
God, watch you, I dip down neck, cause these niggas snitches informing. Talking 2 man deep on a ped for your manner. Ducking out bando houses, wheels picking off with a scrammer. I'm still trying to blast off this tool. Cut the other side, them fool. Acting and leave a boy snoop. And I'm seeing bodies on the news. Big bitch niggas acting, tell these bitch niggas whole corn. But I'm way more into the stacking, so I'm 24s all north.
Kid, we done took more than a few of your dogs. Rest in peace, J Savage, a next shot savage of more than heart. I swear you done changed up numerous dogs. Wanna take it there, we can take it there.
I don't care about who did what. I put man on, I can turn man off. And I rate my dad cause he works a lot. I'm pop shots, I deserve the top. Now Kobe's gone, who am I leaning on? I'm too real man, I can't go wrong. And I fucking cried when I wrote this song. Cause my bros died and it hurt me a lot. 3.5 get a German gun. 3.5 but the earth is strong. Nigga don't walk through my hood, that's long. You don't want smoke, you can lose your lung. When MP come make everyone run. Where I'm from, everyone got guns. And I grew up in the hood for the single mums. I was with Kobe the day before. When I heard you died, I was on that floor.
Please, what's your emergency?
I've got stabbed.
Where are you, mate?
St Mary's closed. St Mary's. I'm dead.
St Mary's where?
I'm dead.
Tell me where you are.
N17 Tottenham.
I'm getting police and an ambulance to you, okay?
Please. Hello?
Are you with him now?
Yes.
I see his packer still nearby.
No.